Muiretu ucio wa ukuru wa miaka 14 arekire igeranio ciothe cia ira o wega no kuringana na mwalimu munene ndaraiguaga wega.
Around 8:30 in the night she called me and they told me that they were at Thika level 5 and they were being attended to. I advised her to inform me if the child is admitted.
Murutani uyu aratariria uria arambirie gutabania mibango ya ati murutwo akoma thibitari ni agutwarirwo igeranio ciake nigetha ahota aciikire thibitari no kiroko amukira ndumiriri ati murutwo ucio ni arakuire.
I received a message from Rukera Sub-Chief that one of my candidates from his area passed on early this morning.
Maya mahanikire riri Minister wa Mai Simon Chelgui hamwe na County Commissioner wa Murang'a macerire thukuru igire mwena ucio magithie na mbere kumiriria arutwo na kumendithiria uhotani igeranio-ini. Nakuo kaunti-ini ya Laikipia mwiri wa murutwo umwe uria urerigirirwo gwika kigeranio gia KCPE wonekire demu-ini imwe itura-ini ria Matuiku. Anthony Wabugo orire tariki 25 mweri uyu.
The lifeless body of the boy was found yesterday from one of the man-made dams around their homestead. The boy stays with the grandmother and it's quite unfortunate that he lost his life when he was preparing to sit for the exams.
Minister wa utaburukia wa mahinya Eugene Wamalwa ni egwikinyetie mwena wa Nanyuki kuria atongoririe mihango ya gutumura kigeranio akiuga ni akenetio ni mehariria mega ma kigeranio county-ini ya Laikipia.
We are very happy that almost all the candidates have turned up except for a few who did not show up, and exams have started right on time. We have monitored several schools and we are satisfied.
Na kwa mwena wa Narok ya muhuro arutwo 17 thukuru wa muthingi wa Ole na Muka mambiririe kigeranio kwa munyaka thutha wa mwalimu munene wa thukuru ucio gutera njira maratathi ma igeranio na njira ina kiriga. Kuratuika Ann Kirui agirire maratathi kiroko wabici-ini cia githomo cia county no agikinya thukuru dauma namo na ndakumenyaga uria maumire moko-ini make. Ona kuri uguo wabici ya githomo ya county ni tabanirie mibango ya kuona uria arutwo magukinyirwo ni maratathi na mambiriria kigeranio mathaini ma thaa 4 na ndagika 10.
Yeah, we did the necessary and acquired the papers.
Region Commissioner wa gicigo kiu augite ni maikitie ngono mwarimu ucio riri uthuthuria na mihango ya gwethana na igeranio icio ugithie na mbere.
Chukua na akasign kwamba amechukua mtihani na ndio akaingia kwa ile gari ambayo amekuwa signed. Na ilikuwa na maofficers lakini yeye ndio alikuwa anabeba mtihani. So akifika shule akisema hajui mtihani uko wapi na kwa gari ya uonekani, ndio tumesema awekwe ndani kwanza tukichunguza tujue shida imetokea wapi.
Umuthi arutwo magwikaga igeranio cia science, githweri na hwaini insha. Kigeranio kiu kirigirirwo gutirihwo rucio. Handu-ini ha Inoro TV ni njitagwo Windrose.